Hello all, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. So you must have seen my previous video about IKEA Navi Mumbai store already. So I have been using a motovlogging setup on my helmet from last 3 months, and GoPro Hero 8 is my new camera for the motovlogging setup. I was earlier using SJ Cam, but I was not satisfied with that uh, with the quality of that camera. So I opt for GoPro Hero 8 and I am quite satisfied with it, and even I'm satisfied with the microphone quality of GoPro. Okay, so this video is not about GoPro or my motovlogging setup, but there is one thing which I'm using on my helmet, that is intercom system. T9S V4 is the model number and is from Route 95 motorcycle company, and you can pause the video and see the features highlighted over here. So I've been using it from last 3 months and I am satisfied with it. There are a lot of other brands which are very expensive, but uh, everybody cannot afford those expensive intercoms. So this is the intercom which is the best intercom in the budget, because there are other cheap intercoms as well. Cheap as in not quality wise cheap, but price wise cheap. There are other intercoms as well, but their quality is not that good, or you cannot connect it with other intercoms, or there are some limitations to it. So this is the intercom which can be connected to the 4 people at a time. So any device this can be connected to, even Sena can be connected to this device. So this is 4 riders intercom device. So this comes with HD calls, music playback, hi-fi studio, dual channel Bluetooth, GPS navigation, Siri Google support, then noise reduction of course, and IPX waterproof. So that is very important, that this is a IPX waterproof device. On the back side, a few features and the package contents are mentioned over here. So you will get a intercom device, then speaker harness, boom microphone, soft microphone, helmet mounting clamp and required tools to attach it to the helmet, and then a set of adhesive velcro pads to attach the speakers and microphone in on your helmet, and USB charging cable, instructions manual, and warranty. So if you'll ask about the warranty, yes, it has a warranty of 18 months. It has a warranty of 18 months, and this is a waterproof device, so you can easily use it and worried free use in the rains. You can use it in rain as well. So let us just check what is there in the box. Okay, so we have this intercom in the box. I have already unboxed it and installed it on my on my helmet already. What else do we get? Yes, so speakers are not there in this package. So this microphone is there, and the tools to mount the intercom on your helmet. So I have been using this personally from last 3 months, and the quality is very good. You can go for this intercom. So we have few buttons on the intercom itself. So here you can see power on off button, volume up and down button, and then this is the intercom button. And we have this 3.5 mm jack to connect to your microphone and speakers, and this USB micro USB port to charge your device. You can buy this intercom from route95.com for rupees 8,000 only. So you can get all the information on the package itself. So you can see here their email address, their contact number, so you can contact them and inquire about this product before buying. And these have all the certifications you can see here: made in Malaysia, CE, ICFC, IPX6, all these certifications are there. So that was the quick unboxing or quick overview of this product, Intercom, if you want to buy a reliable and affordable intercom for your helmet. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll come back with few more videos like this. Please like and subscribe to my channel.